Welcome back to statistics chapter. Here we have 15.2 first problem. The following table shows the ages of the participant admitted in a hospital on a particular day. The data is given in two rows. One is ages, one more is number of patients. 5 to 15 age group people are 6 members. 15 to 25 age group people are 11 members. 25 to 35 people are in 21 members. 35 to 45 age group people are 23 members. 45 to 55 age group people are 14 members. 55 to 65 age group people are 5 members. Find the mode and mean of the data given above. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. To that, here we have the solution. The data what is given, we write the data in columns. The first column we are writing here age in years. In the second column we are writing here number of patients. In the first column what we are writing age in years. We observe those things as class intervals. And in the second column what we are writing here, those things we observe as class frequencies. So the class interval 5 to 15 frequency is 6, 15 to 25 frequency is 11, the class interval 25 to 35 frequency is 21, the class interval 35 to 45 frequency is 23, the class interval 45 to 50 frequency is 14, the class interval 55 to 65 frequency is 5. So by using these two columns, first we find the mode. To find the mode, few things are required here. First, we have to observe the modal class among all the classes. Here, if you observe all the frequencies, the maximum frequency among all these frequencies is 23. Since the maximum frequency is 23, the corresponding class of the maximum frequency we take as the modal class. The modal class lower boundary 35, the L value or lower boundary value we observe as 35. And preceding to the modal class frequency is 21. 21 is the F0, that is the preceding value. And succeeding to the modal class frequency is 14. So 14 we take as F2. So 21 is the preceding class to the preceding frequency to the modal class frequency, and 14 is the succeeding class frequency. We take that one as F2. Preceding class frequency is the F0, succeeding class frequency is the F2, and the modal class frequency is the F1. Height of the frequency we observed here, L value we observed here, and F0, F1, F2 values too we got here. Then directly we go for solution. The formula for the mode is equals to F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into height. So here we have mistake. So L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into height. All the values we got here. Now substituting all the values, then lower boundary is the 35 plus F1 value is the 23, F1 value is the 33 minus F0 is the 14 are so F0 value is 21, F0 value is 21 by 2 into 23 minus F0 value 21 minus F2 value 14 into the height of the class frequency is 10. Okay. Then next 35 into 23 minus 21 is 2 here by 2 into 46. 2 into 23 is equals to 46 minus 21 minus 14, which is equals to 35 into 10. So here we observe 35 plus 2 into 10, that is equals to 20 by 11. 25 by 35 plus 25 by 11. Next step here. $35 plus 11 ones are 11 point. From 20, 11 gone, remaining 9, 11 eights are 88. Then here from 19, 90, 88 gone. So here then 2, again the same number will be repeated. Here the final mode is 36 point. Taking the only one decimal point, so that is why the mode of the class is 36.8. That's it about the mode of the class. The next, mean of the mean of the here mean is equals to mean is equals to sorry mean is equals to sigma Fi sigma Fi xi by sigma F I. Yeah. Sigma Fi by sigma Fi. So that is the mean formula. So to find the mean, first we need the sigma Fi xi value and sigma Fi value to the what we have to do. Please observe here. Here we got the class intervals as 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65. By using these class intervals, we find the midpoints. How to find the midpoints? Please observe here. How to find the midpoints? Please observe here. To find the midpoints, take the first class interval 5, and 15, the lower boundary of the first class and upper boundary of the first class by 2, which means to take the average of the lower boundary and upper boundary, then we will get the first class midpoint, that is 10. We write the 10 as the class mark. 10 is the midpoint of 5 and 15. So we write that one as the class mark in the frequency distribution table. Then next class 15 to 25. So by 2, average of the lower boundary and upper boundary by 2 is equals to 40 by 2 is equals to 20. 20 is the midpoint. 20 is the midpoint of the 15 and 25. We write that one as the class mark for second class. Then next one 25 to 35 by 2 is equals to 50, 60 by 2, which is equals to 30. 30 is the next class frequency. Next class, that is the third class. What is that? Midpoint, and we write that one as the class mark for the third class. Then the next one 35 to 45 by 2, which is equals to EIP by 2 is equals to 40. So 40 we write as the fourth class midpoint or fourth class class mark. Then next one 45 to 50 45 to 55 being 45 to 55, the next class average, the next class boundaries average. If we take, then there we will get the midpoint of the next class, that is 50. Then the last class 55 plus 55 plus 65 is equals to 120 by 2, which is equals to 60 is the next class frequency. Next class, what is the midpoint? So we write that one as a next class mark. So like that, here we got the class marks as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. After getting the class marks, here we find the Fi and Xi values. The Fi and Xi values we are observing in this way. So the solution is required, the mean solution is required Fi and Xi values. That is why we are finding the product of class mark and frequency. That is 6 into 10 is equals to 60, 11 into 20 is equals to 220, 21 into 30 is equals to 630, and 23 into 40 is equals to 920, 14 into 50 is equals to 700, 5 into 60 is equals to 300. So after finding the product of class mark and frequency, we have to find the sum of all the Fi Xi. To that, here we have the formula sigma Fi Xi is equals to the sum of all the frequencies 2830. Similarly, we have to find the sum of the all the frequencies, that is sigma Fi is equals to, if we add all these numbers, then we will get the 80. So substitute these two values in the mean formula. So that is mean is equals to 2830 by 80. 0, 0 is cancelled. Then 8 is 24. Then 8 3 is 24. The remaining 4 and 3 40. 8 5 is 40. From 43, 40 gone. Remaining 3. 3 8 3 is 24. So let me go for division. By that you will get the clarity over that one. 283. 283. So 8 3 is 24. 28 minus 24 is 4. Then the next digit is 3 here. 8 5 is 40. Then here 3.0. And 3 is 24. 8 4 is 32. 24. So again 8 2 is 16. So 35.32. 35.32. So mean value we are observing as mean is equals to this value to I am restricting for only one decimal place, 35.3. So here mode of the data is 36.8, mean of the data is 35.8. So the most is that repeated age group is 36.8 and average age group is 35.3. So if we observe these are comparison between the what is that, between the classes, ages and patients. That's it. Here by this example we understood how to do the calculation by using the mode formula and mean formula. These are the measure of central tendencies. If you like this video, click the like button, share the video to your friends, those who needs this problem, and subscribe the channel. The subscriptions are really encouragement to me to upload the furthermore videos and furthermore chapters. Thank you very much.